respected chief guest, Giranji, friends, students, old, new, all of us that we have gathered today, it's a very special day. I feel very, very special today. And I'm sure all of you feel the same thing. 75 years for an institution of education is a great achievement. And this is the day that we all should be very proud of. This is the day we should all be very humble and thankful to our teachers who gave us knowledge, who gave us direction, who lead us to our future. 75 years, lot has changed in our country, in our lives, and also in what should we expect from our institution in near future. In 75 years, the whole century has changed. We are now in the 21st century, which means if you look at it from the point of view of the Department of Cinematography and Sound, nothing that existed when the institution started exists today. We have no celluloid film. We have no same cameras. We have no same projections. Nothing has as it was. Everything has changed. I think this is the time, and I would like to make a special request to our chief guest. So, this is the time then we have got to have a re-look at our institution. This is the time we should be thankful to whatever we did in the years past, but we should also have the courage now to be grateful to whatever we have achieved. But we now be ready to accept new ideas, new technology, and new demands of our own time. Our institution is now ready to get into new century. We need new equipment. We need different way of using our money, our funds. Life has changed drastically all over the world. And the cinema is not just cinema now. Cinema is entertainment. Cinema has become much more deeper part of our life today, our daily life, than it ever was earlier. All our students need new direction, new kind of teaching, new kind of ideas that will give expression to a younger generation. We need, as we are celebrating 75th year today of our institution, the least that the younger generation can expect is to give them the direction in the new century. So we have to change our thinking. Our generation has completed 75 years with this institution. Our next generation is not going to wait for that long. So my request will be, please take this little message to the powers that be and let them know what the younger generation expects from them.